Hey everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to talk about a common issue, dental plaque and tartar. These pesky substances can lead to gum disease and tooth decay if left untreated. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing 4 effective home remedies to help you remove plaque and tartar naturally. These remedies are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can make a big difference in your oral health. Now let's dive into these remedies and get you smiling confidently again. This first remedy is a powerful homemade mouthwash that combines natural ingredients to fight plaque and tartar. You'll need a few key ingredients: your favorite essential oil, clove oil, peppermint oil, or cinnamon oil. You can use any one of them. If oil is not available, you can use a pinch of turmeric powder. Additionally, you'll need hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, raw or manuka honey, and water. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Start by grabbing a glass and adding 3 drops of your chosen essential oil. If you're using turmeric powder, a pinch will do. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide, followed by the same amount of baking soda and honey. Finally, pour in half a cup of water and mix everything thoroughly. This combination creates a powerful antiseptic and anti-inflammatory solution. Now grab your toothbrush, preferably a soft bristled one, and dip it into the mixture. Brush your teeth just like you normally do, making sure to clean every corner and crevice. For best results, use this homemade mouthwash twice a day, along with your regular brushing and flossing routine. Our second remedy is a simple yet effective baking soda paste. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that helps break down plaque and neutralize acids in your mouth. To make the paste, simply combine baking soda with a small amount of water until you achieve a thick, paste-like consistency. Now, apply this paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for 2 minutes. Make sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth. Once you're done brushing, don't rinse right away. Let the paste sit on your teeth for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the baking soda to work its magic, dissolving plaque and preventing tartar buildup. After the waiting period, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You can use this baking soda paste 1 to 2 times a week as part of your oral care routine. This next remedy combines the power of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide for a potent anti-plaque and anti-tartar mouthwash. In a glass, mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 to half a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. Add half a cup of water and stir well. After brushing your teeth with your regular toothpaste, gargle with this mouthwash for 30 seconds, ensuring it reaches all areas of your mouth. Remember, don't swallow the mouthwash. Spit it out and rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. This mouthwash helps kill bacteria, whiten teeth, and freshen breath, all while tackling plaque and tartar. Our final remedy is a refreshing vitamin C mouthwash that not only fights plaque and tartar, but also promotes gum health. In a glass, dissolve half to 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in 1 cup of lukewarm or cold water. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to the mixture. Now, add 1/4 teaspoon of ascorbic acid powder, also known as vitamin C, to the glass. Mix everything thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. You can use this mixture as a mouthwash, gargling for 30 seconds, or you can dip your toothbrush in it and brush your teeth. For an extra refreshing boost, consider adding a drop of peppermint or clove oil to the mix. This will leave your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. So there you have it, 4 effective home remedies to help you win the fight against plaque and tartar. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to oral health. Incorporate these remedies into your routine along with regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups. If you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions, it's always best to consult with your dentist before trying new home remedies. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs. Keep those smiles bright and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.